We are pleased to show you the 2021 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.